Hello guys, in this video I will show you a website where you can get all the premium AI models for totally free. The website name is Mox.ai. I've given the link in the description of the video. So once you land on this, you get access to all the premium AI models such as Claude, Opus. We also have GPT, Qwen. So you can get started for totally free. The sign up page, you get the opportunity to log in with your Google account as well. So you get this option. Simply click continue with Google. And once you create an account on this, they also give you some free credits to actually get started. So you will be redirected to the dashboard area right here. So just wait for the authentication to complete. So right here now, this is your dashboard area as you can see. So just select options, just give it your name, and so now the actual interface looks something like this. We have a chat prompt. So Claude Sonnet is by default selected. You can see that we have GPT, Gemini, Deepseek, Kimi K3, Qwen, GLM. We also have Claude Sonnet 4.6. For totally free, you can use these models. Mimo as well, we also have. Simply select your model. After that, you simply tell what sort of application you want to make. So let me tell it to actually build a PDF editor in browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I simply give it a task to actually build a beautiful PDF editor directly in browser using this Claude Sonnet 4.6 model. And now you will see that the AI will start developing the application. And if I show you my account, this is a totally free account here. We simply log in it through our Google account. So you can see that it's building a full-fledged React application, scaffolding a fully featured PDF editor in React. So once it gets complete, you will get a notification that your application has been created. So this is your chat interface. So these are all the settings as you can see. So right here, the costs are there for each model. Input, output, everything is there right here, as you can see. So right here, all the usage area will come. If I show you the credits, once you sign up, you get a total of 100 credits, which is more than enough because you can purchase additional credits as well once it is over. You can log in with multiple Google accounts or multiple accounts. So it's completely free and unlimited. So definitely try this website moxt.ai. It's really helpful website. So you can see it's still developing it. You can change the model at any point. And you also have the ability to add images, everything. Attachment, files, images. You can also do text to speech to text as well. So I really enjoy this website. It does provide you with all the premium AI models for totally free. It gives you enough free credits to try this. So as you can see, it's writing the file step by step. This is your toolbar component canvas. So it has a fully fleshed code editor. So once it finishes, you will see the result on the right hand side, and you will also be seeing a live preview. So you can see it is running the application, just running validation checks. So it has its own terminal widget which directly executes all the commands in the background. So it's a fully featured code editor with the help of AI. It's doing all these things. It's also generate a description of what it has made. So you can see the file, the application has been created. So this is a complete PDF editor. As you can see, definitely check out this website, guys. It has all the features